everybody. In this video we will talk about tuples. Tuples are very similar to lists, but there is just one key difference between them, which is immutability. This all means that once an item has been initiated inside of a tuple, it cannot be reassigned just like we used to do with lists. When using tuples, make sure to use open and close parentheses. Okay, so let's jump to Jupyter Notebook and explore these concepts of tuples. Okay, so let's start off by creating a tuple first. At the same time, I will create a list. Now let's check the data type of each of these variables. So now you can see the difference that the variable myTuple is a tuple and the variable myList is a list. Also, it's fine to mix different data types inside of a tuple. You can also perform slicing and indexing on a tuple. Let's say I want to grab one from the variable mixed. At the same time, you can also perform reverse indexing. Perfect. Also, I want to mention that there are only two built-in methods for tuples in Python. I'll create another tuple here for now. Now let's say that I want to check the index position of one. In this case, I can just go and call the index method. So using this method, you will only get back the index position of the element that appears for the first time. There is another method called count method, which will return how many times the value that it has been passed into the parentheses of it will occur in the inside of the tuple. Okay, perfect. So far, as you can see that there is not much of a difference between lists and tuples, but now I really want to show you what differentiates them. Now after executing it, you can see that there is no problem with reassigning something in lists. As you can see that we have received an error. Now let's read what it says. So here it says we have a type error, and the error says tuple object does not support item assignment. This simply means that the tuple we created earlier, we cannot perform item assignment with it, means that we cannot change anything that is inside of a tuple. Now you may think, what is the use of tuples then? I mean, they have a very few functions and they are not very flexible as lists. Okay, so imagine that someday you will become an advanced Python user. Now you want to write a program and want to make sure that no value is changed. But as you will continue practicing Python with my videos, you will really start to see the benefits of using it in many ways. So well, that's it for this video. If you have any questions or doubt, you can always go to the comment section and ask your doubts or questions there. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible.